We're really excited to install our SAERTEX-LINER H2O for the first time in Australia. This is a GRP pipe for the trenchless installation of potable water pipe.
Pipecore is certainly a full service provider, so for us it is really important, like take this project as an example, to offer the circle of service, as we'd like to say, all the way from the beginning of project planning, selection of the right equipment and materials, all the way through the support and then actually project initiation, what we're doing here today. So we're getting the support of all our suppliers to be on board with us and make sure that we are delivering a successful project and then take on the next opportunities.
For this project here, we are installing two sections of over 190 meters each in a diameter of 463 millimeters with a wall thickness of 4.3 millimeters. This is a fully structural pipe, so an independent pipe after curing. It's pressure resistant and hygienically approved with the AS/NZS 4020 as well as appraised by WSAA.
The relining option is a non-intrusive option here, and it allowed us to get the job done in a shorter time frame. Probably the most important thing was less impact to the residents around here. I've dealt with SAERTEX before in the past, dealt with their liner. It's an extremely good product.
The benefit for the Rausch unit is you have a smaller cable trap and you have 250 meter cable. You have the long cable lengths, it's a small system, and you have a complete controlling for the working done. You can working with the Rausch UV system with a rig with 400 and 600 W for smaller diameter, and you can working from diameter 700 to 1600, and you have the lamps for the 1000, 1500, 2000 or 2500 W. Not noisy.
Exciting thing about this technology is the opportunity to be able to use something new, more environmentally friendly, better for local residents. We only opening 3 excavation holes in this road, which means local residents are still able to use it. Typically in the past, you would have had to excavate the entire road. The road would have been closed for extended periods. Time frame's also a good benefit because we're going to be in and out within about 5 weeks, and it would have been months and months if you would excavate the whole road and replace it.
So it's definitely a benefit in the installation time of the product. Also, we don't have to dig up the whole street. We work in excavation pits, very confined spaces to still keep traffic rolling. Additionally, it is not that noisy. As you can see in the background, I can still speak very easily here.
I think this project is quite important to us, and it will also open up a lot of opportunities for our customers as well as the industry altogether to take on new projects of high value and more complexity to ensure the success moving forward.
I like this aspect of relining because it's something new that's been brought to TPS as a company, and it's a good opportunity for me and the other employees to learn something new, keep developing ourselves and TPS as well.
The service from Pipecore, SAERTEX and Rausch has been excellent. Knowing that those guys were obviously heavily involved in this project, their support was most of the reason why we went with this project. This is a classic example of the perfect trenchless job. Non-intrusive, tight location. This has given us the option to renew an asset where it'd just be nearly impossible. So far, we've installed 294 metre liners. It went extremely well. We are currently ahead of program. The client is happy and the job to date has been a success.